This is Dr. Neufeld with a quick review of working with Roman numbers. Remember, the first thing is we learned that Roman numbers are capital letters, so here's the examples. Capital I is a 1, capital C is 100, etc. I also, though, came up with this graphic to help you remember how Romans wrote numbers compared with the number system that we use today. Now, in the center is a larger number. Could even be X, L, C, etc. Now, when writing Roman numbers, we add or subtract. If we put smaller numbers on the left, it means we are subtracting that smaller number from the larger number. We can only, though, put one smaller number on the left. When we put a smaller number on the right, then we are adding. And we can put up to 3 smaller numbers on the right. Also, keep in mind, as I'm going to be showing you a few examples, when we are writing Roman numbers compared to our regular numbers, we have to look in all 3 columns, or however many columns there are. There's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. There's got to be one or a collection of Roman numbers for each digit. So let me give you our first example. 8, in the way we write numbers today, would be a Roman number, and it looks like we can only put one number on the left, so we can't use 10 minus 2, but we could use 5 plus 3. So capital V plus III. That's how the Romans would write the number 8. Again, it's a larger number, V, 3 numbers on the right, smaller, which means we add, so 5, 6, 7, 8. What if I gave you the number 88? Okay, now we need one number for the tens column, 80. Well, here is 100. 100 minus 20 is 80, but that's putting 2 numbers on the left. We can't do that. So we could write 50, which is capital L. And now 50 plus 30, 60, 70, 80. There is 80. Now we look at the ones column, 88. Well, we already learned that to write Roman numbers 8, it's V, I. So 88 in our number system is LXXX, which is 80, and VIII, which is 8, so that's 88 in Roman numbers. What if I gave you a larger number like 888? Okay, same thing. Now we got to look in the hundreds column. In this case, let's see, we could take 1,000 minus 200, but no, we can't because that's subtracting 2 numbers on the left. So we're going to take 500 plus 300. D is 500, but now we're adding 300. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 800. 80 is LXXX. This is 800, I should say. This is 80. And 8 is VIII. So the Roman number for 888 is DCCCLXXXVIII. Let's look at a little bit of subtraction. What if I gave you the number 32 to write in Roman numbers? We could do 10 3 times, but that's exactly how we would write 30. Now, we could not write 50 minus 20 because that's putting 2 numbers on the left. That's not allowed. So this is how you write 30. And then the number 2, II. So that is 32. Again, what if we want some subtraction? What if we said the number 47? Okay, look in the tens column. 50 minus 10 is 40. 50 is L. Minus 10, so you put it on the left, that's 40. And then 7, 5, 6, 7. Now, what some people might say, let's put 4 X's. Nope, because you can only put 3 together in a row. So 50 minus 10 is 40. So once again, start with a big number. If you subtract, if you put a smaller number on the left, you subtract. A smaller on the right, you add. Now also, while you're writing big numbers, I would suggest doing this until you're comfortable with writing Roman numbers. But again, look at the number 888. Most people can never write that down, and I would bet you that just after 5 minutes of practicing this, you're going to be pretty good with Roman numbers. Great. If you have any questions, you can email me, dojo me, stop by at lunchtime anytime, and I'll give you some help. Thanks for checking this video.